So you want to start a YouTube channel because you don't want to miss out on the 5 billion videos watched on YouTube daily. But the problem is you don't want to show your face. Well, in today's video, you'll discover 5 different video strategies that you can use to come up with thousands of channel and video ideas. And the best part is you don't ever have to be on camera. We'll go through 5 different types of videos that you can start making, and I'll show you specific channels that are using these strategies to build really large channels, and they're making great money in the process. But before we begin, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos on how to create a YouTube business. Idea number 1 is to do screen recordings. Now, you can record your phone screen or your computer screen or both. Most phones come with free screen recorders, and if you're using a computer, there are free programs like OBS or paid for programs like Camtasia. Now, this strategy is great where you want to show your viewers what you're talking about on screen. So for instance, my friend John Davis here has a Canva tutorial. Now he does show I can turn this down a little bit. He does show his face at the beginning of the video, but for the rest of the video, he's just doing a tutorial on how to use Canva to do mockups. Another example of the types of videos you can do are versus videos. Now, this is one of my best videos that I have on my channel. It's vidIQ versus TubeBuddy. And although I am on screen at the beginning of the video, during the video, I'm nowhere to be found on camera. All I'm doing is showing you my screen and going over the pros and cons of TubeBuddy. Now, another great channel, one of my favorite channels, is Justin OD Show, and this is a tutorial on Adobe Premiere, and he does great tutorials using different Adobe products. Another example of a channel or video you can do is a gaming channel. Now on this channel for Clash and Clans, Clash and Games, he does all Clash of Clans videos, and he doesn't even have voiceovers, he just has music. And he shows you how to do different Clash of Clans things. So this is another example of the type of video you can do with just using your screen recorder. Idea number 2 are animation videos. If you have technical skills or you know how to draw and animate with programs like Adobe Illustrator, these are the types of videos that are perfect for you. But even if you don't, there are programs that you can use that make really nice animation videos, like this whiteboard video that you are seeing right now. And I'm using a paid for program called VideoScribe, and it's very easy to use. But take a look at this channel right here. It's fairy tales and stories for kids, 1.2 million subscribers. If I play this video, it's all animation. Now, obviously they have the skill to create this, but if you do have these types of skills, this is a great idea for you. As you can see, these get millions of subscribers, and this one video here has 5.6 million views. The next type of video or channel idea you can do, let me pause this, is this type. Now, right here, this channel, Brightside, has almost 40 million subscribers. And this right here, this video right here has 86 million views. And this is a tips type video, 13 tips on how to survive wild animal attacks. So you can do stories, you can do tips. And another type, let me pause this, another type of animation type video that you can do are these stat videos. Now, I did a full video on how to create these types of videos, and I'll leave a card in the up top. But you can see this one channel has over 132 subscribers, 132,000 subscribers, and it has 5.3 million views for this one video, World Religions Ranking Population Growth by Religion, 1800 to 2100. So these are just 3 different types of videos you can create with animation. Obviously, it's really up to your creativity, how many different types of videos you can do using strategy number 2, which is animation. Idea number 3 are stock footage or stock videos. Now, this is where you use other people's content that they have recorded or photographed, and they either have it listed for free on sites like Pixabay or Pexels, or they license its use, meaning you'll have to pay for it on sites like Storyblocks, Envato Elements, or Epidemic Sound. With this strategy, you will typically string together a bunch of stock footage with a voiceover to make a really engaging video. So the first example I want to show you is this channel right here. It's called 1 Million Tests, and this is a strategy you can use with stock or footage videos, and that is quiz videos. So if I play this, you can see they have a bunch of stock videos and they have a test. What does your birth month say about you? This one video has over 6 million views, and this channel has over 738,000 subscribers. So that's the type of video you can do, are quiz videos. The next one are meditation videos, and this is very popular. This channel here, Power Thoughts Meditation Club, has 1.7 million subscribers, and this one video has 7.9 million views. And all it is meditation, a guided meditation with a voiceover and music with stock footage. So these are very popular types of videos to make. The last one I want to show you are financial videos. Let me pause it. And this channel right here, alux.com, has 3.4 million subscribers. And this video here, 15 Things Poor People Do That Rich Don't, has 7.8 million views. And if I play it here, all it is a voiceover with stock photos and stock videos that they strung together to make a really obviously popular video. Over almost 160,000 likes. So these are just 3 examples of channels and 3 examples of the types of videos you can make with idea number 3, which is stock footage, either videos, photos, or a combination of both. Idea number 4 are demonstration type videos. With these types of videos, you can describe how to do something or show something, and you don't necessarily have to have your face on video. You can either show parts of your body. For instance, in this video that you're watching right now, I'm showing you how to make my favorite keto breakfast muffin. And although you see my hands, you don't see my face. And I'm also going to show you examples of videos you can do where you're not in the video, but someone else is demonstrating the product. So let's take a look at this first one. This first channel here is Miniature Cooking, 275,000 subscribers. And this video here, let me let it play, Moroccan apple beef stew recipe, has over 4 million views. And let me just fast forward here. You can see their hands are in the video. They are not. They're just showing how to make this miniature food, which is actually pretty cool. And so cooking type tutorials are a great video for demonstration videos where you're not showing your face on camera. So let me pause this. Another example here is 30 cool gadgets you never knew existed. Over almost 1.3 million views, and it's on a channel that's very popular called 5 Minute Crafts Play, and it has almost 19 million subscribers. And if I let it play, you can see they do have people on video, but it doesn't necessarily have to be you. It could be someone you, like a family member, a friend, or even someone you hire to be in the video for you. Now, the next one I want to show you is this how to grow fruit and vegetables at home. This video here has 2.1 million views. It's on a channel that has called Cleverly that has almost 150,000 subscribers. And this is a gardening video. So this is another great type of video you can do with demonstration. You can see no one is on video, no faces other than just their hands. So gardening is a perfect type of video you can do with demonstrations. The last one I want to show you is another popular niche, which is woodworking. And this is on a channel called Woodworking Skill. They have 242,000 subscribers, and this one video here has 2.2 million views. And you can see all they're doing is demonstrating how to do woodworking projects. So these are 4 different examples of the types of videos you can do with a popular strategy, which is demonstration type videos. Again, you don't ever have to show your own face on these types of videos. Last but not least is strategy number 5, and that is using slideshows to do a video. Now, let me say that this isn't my favorite strategy because I believe that these types of videos are not as engaging or effective as the other 4, but there are channels that have very large audiences using this strategy. So let me show you example number 1, and that is a health type video. It's on a channel called Natural Cures. It has almost 3.2 million subscribers. And this video here, let me start playing it, has over 30 million views. And you can see all it is a slideshow of why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. So obviously a video like this is getting a ton of views. So let me pause this. Another example of the type of video you can do is a motivation video. This is on a channel called Permission to Exist, almost 75,000 subscribers. But this video right here has almost 1.7 million views, and it's fun with your narcissist, how to beat them at their own game and enjoy it. And if I scroll through here, you can see that all it is a slide. I don't even know if they changed the slide. If I keep fast forwarding, I'll probably get to an ad here, but all it is one slide with a voiceover. So as you can see, again, not my favorite strategy, but there are some channels that use this strategy and have a lot of subscribers and a ton of views. Now, don't think that you just have to pick one type of video and that is a video you have to stick with for your entire channel. There are really great channels that employ combinations of these videos. So for instance, animations, slides, and stock footage. And the best part is they don't ever have to show their mug. With these 5 strategies, you can create thousands of different videos for your channel. Now, if you want to see how you can turn these videos into a money-making machine, go check out that video right there, or go check out a link in the description below where I show you a course that will show you how. Or if you want, go watch that video right there and we'll go through 15 different channel ideas that you can start without ever showing your face on camera. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.